Hey everybody, but especially my garden professionals and landscape professionals and the do-it-yourselfer at home. I got a great product here that is needed for every homeowner. It is the Grout Paw Weed Remover. Garden weeder. Look at this thing. So the foot pedal is made out of fiberglass, not plastic. Super strong, and it just locks into place there. Turn it back in like that. The shaft and connection is made out of cast aluminum. Yes, cast aluminum. Never have to worry about this product breaking or cracking on you. It'll be pulling weaves for a lifetime. So it has these super simple instructions here. Again, we want to pull that out first, find our weed, push down on the lever, clamp it, pull out. So let's go ahead and do a couple. As I'm demonstrating in here, you can see it has an innovative automatic retractable spring device design in convenient sliding handle form, a weeding release system. The system allows you to release the weeds after removing the weeds. Truly hands-free weed pulling for less work and mess. Equipped with folding foot pedal, easy to store and adjust the folding foot pedal. You can even use this on a slope. Bye-bye pestic weed. Again, this thing is 39 inches. Truly will save you from any of the kneeling and bending over and all that back pain. Save yourself the back. Get yourself a weed puller. This thing's truly hands-free with the foot pedal, and then watch the quick release. Just a quick slide, and then good, there goes the weed wherever you want to dispose of it. This thing is truly a back saver and a must-need for your summertime, keeping those lawns nice and pristine and gardens. So can't recommend this product enough.